Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Revolut Staking, where we will explore the world of cryptocurrency staking on the Revolut platform. Revolut staking allows users to earn rewards in the form of additional cryptocurrency by holding and validating certain cryptocurrencies on the platform. To get started with Revolut staking, you need to have a Revolut account and a metal or premium subscription. Once you have these, you can navigate to the cryptocurrency section of the app and select the cryptocurrency you want to stake. Revolut currently supports staking for several popular cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum and Tezos. The staking process involves holding a certain amount of cryptocurrency in your Revolut account and participating in the validation process on the blockchain. The validation process involves verifying transactions on the blockchain and creating new blocks, which helps to secure the network and earn rewards. One of the key concepts to understand when it comes to Revolut staking is the concept of staking rewards. Staking rewards are the rewards earned by validating transactions on the blockchain and creating new blocks. The rewards are typically paid out in the form of additional cryptocurrency and can be a significant source of passive income. To maximize your staking rewards, it is essential to choose the right cryptocurrency to stake. Different cryptocurrencies have different staking rewards and requirements, so it is crucial to do your research and choose a cryptocurrency that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Another important concept to understand is the concept of staking duration. The staking duration refers to the length of time that you need to hold the cryptocurrency in your Revolut account to be eligible for staking rewards. The staking duration can vary depending on the cryptocurrency and the Revolut platform, but it is typically around 30 days. In terms of best practices, it is essential to keep your Revolut account and cryptocurrency holdings secure. This includes using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping your account information up to date. It is also crucial to stay informed about market trends and cryptocurrency prices to make informed investment decisions. In conclusion, Revolut staking is a great way to earn passive income and participate in the world of cryptocurrency. By understanding the key concepts, such as staking rewards and staking duration, and following best practices, such as keeping your account secure and staying informed, you can maximize your staking rewards and achieve your investment goals. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced investor, Revolut staking is a great way to take your cryptocurrency investments to the next level.